Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about family-style catering. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is family-style catering? Well, it's a service where food is served in big platters and bowls right in the center of the table, so guests can serve themselves. It's all about creating those intimate, communal dining moments, like a big family dinner, but now it's super popular for weddings, parties, and all kinds of social events. Now, let's talk about the key benefits. First off, it really gets people talking and interacting. When everyone's passing plates around, it's way easier to strike up a conversation than with plated meals. Then there's the food variety. You get to try a little bit of everything, which is perfect if you're someone who loves sampling different dishes. And hey, it's cost-effective too. Since you don't need as many servers, you can save some money. Plus, portion sizes are totally flexible. You take as much or as little as you want. Oh, and it helps cut down on food waste because people only take what they need. That's a win-win, right? But wait, there are some things to consider too. Family-style catering needs more table space for all those serving platters, so you have to think about your venue's layout. Then there are hygiene concerns. Shared dishes mean you have to make sure everything's clean and safe. Also, service might be a bit slower compared to plated meals since everyone's serving themselves. And if you're going for a super formal vibe, the presentation might not be as polished as individual plating. Plus, managing portions and food quantities can be a bit tricky. You don't want to run out, but you don't want too much left over either. Let's move on to the essential elements, starting with shared plates and menu selection. Shared plates are all about those big central platters on the tables. They really encourage interaction while people are serving themselves, and they set that communal mood. For the menu, you need a range of dishes that appeal to different tastes. Think about vegetarians, gluten-free folks, everyone. Balance is key. Proteins, veggies, starches, and a mix of hot and cold dishes. That way, there's something for everyone. Next up, serving and presentation. First, serving portions. You want enough food for everyone to have a satisfying meal, but you also want to let people taste all the dishes. So you have to calculate those per-person quantities carefully. Then presentation. You want the food to look appetizing, right? Arrange the platters nicely, add some fresh herbs for garnish, maybe some decorative touches. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it should look good. Then there's service and logistics. You need experienced staff who know how to handle family-style service. They should make sure guests can easily reach the food, and they need to keep an eye on replenishing dishes when they get low. Tableware is important too. Quality, durable serving platters and utensils, and maybe theme-matching table settings if you have a specific vibe going. And don't forget cleanup. You want to clear the dishes promptly after the meal so the space stays tidy. Let's get into the menu specifics. Appetizers and salads. For appetizers, cheese and charcuterie boards are always a hit. Mini quiches, sliders, bruschetta, and dips with veggies and bread. Salads, Caesar, Greek, caprese, mixed greens with nuts or fruit, and seasonal veggie salads. Then main courses and sides. Entrees could be lasagna, shepherd's pie, roasted chicken, paella, or vegetarian options. Sides, mashed or roasted potatoes, seasonal roasted veggies, rice pilaf, pasta salads, grilled veggies. Desserts and final considerations. Desserts can be fruit platters, mini cupcakes, cookies, a chocolate fountain with dippers, or assorted cakes and pies. And the final things to think about. Make sure you accommodate dietary restrictions, balance the flavors and textures of the menu, have enough food so no one goes hungry, and match the menu to your event theme. If it's a casual backyard BBQ, you might go for more laid-back dishes. But if it's a wedding, maybe something a bit more elegant. So, wrapping it all up, family-style catering is all about those warm, communal moments. It's interactive, it offers variety, and it's flexible. But it does take some careful planning space, portions, presentation, all of that. When it's done right, though, it creates a dining experience that people will remember, and it really brings guests together. That's the magic of family style, isn't it? It's not just about the food, it's about the connection. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope this guide helps you if you're thinking about family-style catering for your next event. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if you've had a great family-style dining experience. Until next time, happy planning! So that's all for today's podcast. I hope you found this information useful, and if you're thinking about starting your own cart, I wish you all the best. Remember, it takes hard work and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make it a success. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.